Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. I'm putting together a very short video, and that is comparing the GoPro Hero 7 Black on my right versus the GoPro Hero 9 Black. I've bought the GoPro Hero 9 Black a while ago, but I really haven't had a chance to use either action camera. And now I wanted to do just a quick comparison because I have somebody that is supposed to be coming by to pick up my GoPro Hero 7 Black. So as you can see, it is cloudy, it's raining out right now. It's not very well lit, but I wanted to put out something so if you're curious in an environment like this, or just comparing the 7 to the 9, what it sounds like, what it looks like. This is being shot in 1080, 60 frames per second, and I'm using linear. And one of the things that is nice is having that front screen so I could see myself now with the 9, and I'm gonna have better battery life, so it's very, very cool. So let me know if you have any questions. Again, quick short video. I've been really pleased with the 7 Hero Black, but you know, the nice feature again is having the screen in the front, especially if I use it for some of my video reviews. Also, if I'm hiking and having the angle where it can still keep the video quality straight, that will be another nice feature as well. And the 7's been a great camera. I've enjoyed using it, but I'm definitely excited to move up to the 9 and looking forward to putting videos out. So anyway, I thought, again, just put something out quick, short, to the point. Let me know if you have any questions. I appreciate your time. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.